Morning student, this is your computer teacher Nagendra Kumar. I hope you all are fine at your home. In last video, I had completed the topic operators and expression in Java. Now in this video, I am going to discuss some questions answers on this topic, that is operator and expression. Before I start discussion on question and answer, first have a look on operator precedence in Java. Operator precedence. The order in which the operators are used in expression is known as precedence of operator. It means which operator is used first and then the next in the expression in Java is known as operator precedence. Precedence of arithmetic operator in Java, first we start with the bracket, then we exponent, then we done the multiplication, after that the division, then addition, then subtraction. Here multiplication and division have the same precedence. Also we saw the addition and subtraction have the same precedence. So in this case the operator which appears first from the left side of the expression will be operated first. For example, y is equal to 6 into 2 plus 4 divided 2. Then multiplication and division have the same precedence, but multiplication come to the left side, and first we multiply, then we divide. So 6 into 2 multiply, and after that 4 by 2. So first I have the same precedence, I have used the multiplication then division. Always keep in your mind, first we multiplication, then we divide, and when you got the addition or subtraction, first we add and then subtract. In this way the final value of this y is 40. Now this is the complete precedence of Java operator is given in this table. So go through this table, it display all the operators of Java and its precedence order one by one, and also it is written that which precedence is left to right and which precedence is right to left. So we always follow this table. Now question and answer. The first question is, evaluate the following Java expression. Here given the variable a, mb and k is of type integer. So the value of mb is given as 2 and the value of k is equal to 4, and our expression is a is equal to mb into 3 by 4 plus k by 4 plus 8 minus mb plus 5 by 8. So this expression contains so many arithmetic operator. A student, keep in your mind, if you not follow the precedence of operator in this question, we definitely got the wrong result. So we always keep in mind the precedence of operator, first multiplication, then division, then addition, then subtraction. Okay, one thing also keep in your mind, when a integer divided by integer, the answer is also in integer. For example, when we divide 3 by 4 or maybe 5 by 2, then its value is 2.5, but 5 is also integer, 2 by also integer. So if integer is divided by integer, the answer is integer, that is 2, not the 2.5. So the data type is very important for an expression. Same in the same way, in this expression a is equal to 2 into 3. So first we done the multiplication 2 into 3 first step. After in the second step I have done the division 6 by 4, 4 by 4, 8 minus 2. In third step you got 6 by 4 is equal to 1, because integer is divided by integer, it is integer. So I have written 1, 4 by 4 is also 1, 8 minus 2 and 5 by 8. is 0, its value is 0 point something, but integer divided by integer, it is integer, so 0. Then we have add them and finally we subtract and we got the result 8 for this expression. Now come to the next question. What will be the result stored in x after evaluating the following expression? Here int x is equal to value of the x is given 4 and x plus equal to the shortened notation of Java, and then x plus x plus x, postfix and prefix expression I have used in this question. So first we evaluate right side expression x plus x. Initially x is equal to 4, x plus it is a postfix expression, and here use then change you are used. So first we use the value of 4 and after that the value of x is 5. So first I use 4, then its value is 5 plus x, then prefix expression means change then use 5 is changed to 6. Okay, then 4 plus 6 and after the value of x then again 6, so the right hand expression is 16. Now as per the question is x plus is equal to this 16 and initially x is equal to 4, so x is equal to x plus 16, it means 4 plus 16, it is 20. Give the output of the next question, give the output of the following code. Int a is equal to 5, here a is equal to 5, a plus plus, but here after the statement the system dot output statement is there, so the value of a is increased by a is equal to a plus 1, it means a is equal to 6 here, so it print 6 and after that expression is same, a minus equal to a minus a. Same way the last expression we have to evaluate this one and finally we got the answer 4. Now come to the next question. Write down the Java expression for t is equal to a plus b square plus c square root under. For the root under in Java we are using a library function math.sqrt. So we have write this complete expression math.sqrt within the bracket a into a plus b into b plus c into c. This is the answer. Now the next question. Consider the following code is snipped. Here I is equal to 10. Int I is equal to 10. Now n is equal to int n is equal to I plus remainder 5. Here I use the remainder sign. So I plus prefix expression. First we use the value of I, then we change the value of, after that we change the value of I. So I have used 10 remainder 5. When we 10 is divided by 5, we got the remainder 0. So here the value of n is equal to 0, but that after that expression the value of I is increased by 1. So I is equal to 11. So this is n is equal to 0. Final output is n is equal to 0 and I is equal to 11. So it's done. You solve some more question based on operator and expression, and you must use the precedence of Java operators. So it's done. That's all for today. Stay at home. Stay safe. Thank you.